Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 ways to make money from the comfort of your home. Just like me. Yes, so I'm working from home and I'm making money from home and I'm getting credited into my bank account from home. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. You will agree with me that the world is becoming more virtual, yes, and increasing the number of ways that you can make money online. Now, an online work from home situation offers a lot of perks, including flexibility, a comfortable environment. I can decide to go pick up my kids from school while I'm working. I can take a break whenever I want to. I can, work out in between and what have you. Above all, you have a comfortable environment to work, yes, from home, and there is no stressful commute. You're not traveling from one point to another. So whether you are stuck in an office and ready to make a change, or you're looking for a convenient way to also make money on the side, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what to do to make money on the side. The first one on my list here is to become a podcaster. Yes, and here are the prerequisites. You need a computer, a working computer or mobile device, tools and skills in audio recording and editing, and you also need to have great speaking and communication skills. It is best for talkative people. The potential income is $1,400 to $13,000 in a month. Of course, you can earn a lot more than that. Besties, starting a podcast is one of the most profitable online business ideas, with a number of global podcast listeners projected to reach around 500 million listeners by 2024. All you need is a computer or mobile device with a built-in microphone, which is enough to start a podcast. However, I recommend investing in proper audio equipment and software to improve your recording quality. And all you need is just a topic to talk about and engaging communication skills. You can also create any podcast on any topic, from financial tips to true crime. Building an agency podcast where you share your knowledge on digital marketing is also feasible. Now, after recording and editing the first few episodes, you can find a podcast hosting platform to publish them online. Now, some of the best ones are Buzzsprout, yes, Resonate, and Anchor. Now, most podcasts primarily make their money from sponsorships. Once your podcast has attracted the following, consider signing up for production agencies like Podfly or Pacific Content to grow your brand, content quality, and audience reach. Make sure to promote the podcast on social media and other platforms, yes, like your website, because a podcast theme and an audio player can help to boost the podcast's brand and identity and discoverability. The next one on my list here is something no one is talking about. It is voiceover acting. Yes, so if you have a beautiful, unique radio announcer tone of voice, guys, have you ever considered voiceover work? You can make good money from it, I tell you. Guys, successful voiceover actors have a background. Some of them have a background in acting, though it's not necessary, and they are able to do different characters or accents. Voiceover actors can find work narrating ebooks, online videos, or online ads. For you to get started, you need a professional portfolio to share with potential clients. Now, voiceover acting also requires some initial investment. Yes, you will need to purchase a microphone and headphones, as well as voice recording and editing software. Next one on my list here is for you to start a blog. Yes, if you love to write and you have something useful or inspiring to say, why not consider starting a blog? Yes, a blog is a website where you regularly share your ideas or expertise with your readers. Before you start sharing your thoughts, you need to create a website, and you can hire someone to build it for you or do it yourself. Website builders like Squarespace make it really easy to put together a website on your own, even with no previous experience. And once your website is set up, it is all about writing good content consistently and promoting your blog to attract readers and subscribers. And if you want to monetize your blog, you will need an audience. Then you can use methods like affiliate marketing, which is earning income through products, recommendations, and ads. And you can also create your own products or service and sell it on your own website. Next one on my list here is for you to test websites and apps. If you like being paid to take surveys, you might enjoy earning money or rewards to test websites and apps. So instead of answering questions about specific products, you get to use websites and apps and provide your feedback. Similar to earning surveys, you're also going to make money, yes, just like that. And guess what? It's a fun way to get paid for your perspective. If you're interested, you can check out sites like usertesting.com, userpick.com, and userlytics.com. In addition to your computer, you will also need a microphone, yes, to also participate. Now guys, the next one on my list is to become a URL shortener. Yes, URL shortener. There are several websites that pay you to shorten and share links through your social media channels or websites. Yes. Now, best paid URL shorteners. Yes. Overall, there are many opportunities to make money online from home, and the best method for you will depend on your skills, your interests, and of course your resources. Some methods may require more time and effort upfront, while others may be more passive and require less effort in the long run. And if you need more avenues to make money this year, make sure that you always check out my videos. Now I'm gonna say this: if you have not worked on your work ethics, if you don't have good work ethics as at now that you're watching this video, I think you need to fix that first before you think of working for yourself or working for anyone. If you want to make money for yourself, especially if you want to make money from the comfort of your home, you need to have great work ethics. Your work ethics, to a very large extent, this determines how far you will go in life. A lot of people actually like the idea of working from home, but they don't have the discipline. So you need to work on your self-discipline. You need to work on your self-motivation before you think of, working for anyone or even working from home, from the comfort of your home, because you need to be disciplined enough to put in the number of work hours that you need, even when no one is watching. You need to have integrity. You need to work on your personal development before you even embark on these things. I mean, there are people who start, let's assume there are two different people who want to start, freelancing the same thing. So let's assume two people have skills in graphic designs, right? And one of them is, has developed good work ethics over time. When you tell your clients you're going to deliver at so date, make sure that you are able to deliver at the appointed dates that you have promised your clients. Because the moment you start to give excuses and they cannot trust you anymore, it's going to affect the quality. It's going to affect your ratings. It's going to affect your reviews, and you don't want your people to give you negative reviews. And just so you know, for those of you who do not know, I worked in the bank previously for about 3.5 years, and there's something I learned about aggrieved clients. When someone is aggrieved about your services, they will tell 11 people about your bad services and why no one should come to you, why they should not patronize you. However, when there's a happy client, the person tells an average of 3 people. You don't want people killing your business. I mean, you don't want to kill your business yourself, because if you do not serve well, people, first and foremost, people will not be able to refer you. And number 2, when people see when they see their friends working with you, they will tell them, hey, that guy is not reliable. So you have to develop good work ethics. This is really important. No shades to anyone. If you know that you're lacking in this area, if you know that, this is a place where you need help, I can offer a consultation for that. But you have to join my Patreon membership, and I will help you. I will show you exactly how I was able to develop my own discipline up till this point, how I'm able to fit in everything in my schedule, even despite being a wife and a mother. And I also work out 2 hours daily, and I still take out time to take care of myself. So if you're someone that actually needs help in this area, you can send me an email or join my Patreon membership, and then I'll send you the link to book a free consultation. However, you cannot book a free consultation with me if you are not a Patreon member. At this point, I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching this video all the way till the end. I hope you have learned one thing or two or the other, and I hope you do not take any of these messages personal. Yes, that is it for today, guys. Making money online is super easy if you know where to look. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never be broke again. I said so. I've been broke before. I keep saying it. I've been broke before. People will not believe it. I mean, when I say it, they'll be like, yes, I have been broke before, and I never ever want to be there again in my entire life. I never want to smell what it is not to have money again. So guys, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confused, and I hope I've encouraged you above all to be the best version of yourself. At this point, I want to say a big thank you once again to all of you guys for watching all the way till the very end. I ring your girl Mariam. If no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am super duper proud of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.